Creating an Android application used to be a task limited to experienced developers with advanced coding skills. Today, that is no longer the case. Thanks to no-code and low-code platforms, building an app is now accessible to virtually anyone with an idea, an internet connection, and the motivation to learn. In this guide, we will walk you through how to build your own Android app for free and turn it into a potentially lucrative business that can generate substantial passive income, even up to $800,000 annually. Why Android apps present a major opportunity. Android is the most widely used mobile operating system in the world, with over 3 billion active devices globally. This massive user base offers a tremendous opportunity for app creators to reach a large and diverse audience. With the increasing demand for mobile solutions in areas like productivity, health, finance, and entertainment, there is always room for innovative new apps. Moreover, mobile apps are no longer just digital tools, they are full-fledged businesses. Whether through advertisements, subscriptions, in-app purchases, or affiliate marketing, there are many ways to monetize your Android app once it gains traction. Step 1. Identify a valuable app idea. Before jumping into development, you need to be clear about the purpose of your app. Successful apps typically solve a specific problem, entertain effectively, or simplify a daily task. Ask yourself the following questions. What pain point am I solving? Who are the people most likely to benefit from this app? Are there existing apps that do something similar, and how can mine be better or different? Begin by focusing on simple, practical apps. You don't need to create the next Facebook or TikTok. Consider ideas like budget tracking or personal finance tools, habit trackers and productivity planners, meditation or wellness apps, educational apps for kids or language learners, simple mobile games. Validate your idea using tools like Google Trends, Reddit communities, or keyword research tools to make sure there is genuine interest in your concept. Step 2. Use free no-code tools to build your app. One of the most exciting developments in recent years has been the rise of no-code platforms. These platforms allow users to build fully functional Android applications using visual interfaces and drag-and-drop components, rather than writing code manually. Some of the best free no-code platforms include Codular. Built specifically for Android apps, Codular offers a wide range of components, from buttons and images to web APIs and ads. It is a great platform for building complex apps with a visual workflow. Thunkable. A user-friendly platform that supports both Android and iOS. It is perfect for building mobile apps that need to work across platforms. MIT App Inventor. Developed for educational use, this platform is ideal for beginners and hobbyists. It is limited in scope but easy to learn. Glide. Best for apps that rely on data, Glide lets you create Android and iOS apps directly from a Google Sheet. AppJiver. A more advanced no-code platform suitable for building scalable apps with more customization. Most of these platforms offer free plans with the ability to publish apps, though some advanced features may require paid upgrades. Step 3. Test and publish your app on the Google Play Store. Once your app is designed and built, it is essential to test it thoroughly. Run it on different Android devices to make sure it performs as expected. Identify bugs, performance issues, and any user experience problems before making it public. To publish your app on the Google Play Store, you will need to create a Google Play developer account, a one-time fee of $25. Prepare store listing assets such as your app icon, screenshots, feature graphics, and a description. Upload your APK or AAB file, generated by your no-code platform. Set permissions, age rating, and target audience. Submit your app for review. Approval usually takes a few days, though it can vary depending on the app category and content. Step 4. Monetize your app strategically. This is the stage where your app becomes a potential source of income. There are several effective methods to monetize an Android app, and you can combine more than one for better results. In-app advertising. Using networks like Google AdMob, you can earn money every time users interact with ads within your app. Banner ads, interstitial ads, and rewarded video ads are common formats. In-app purchases. Offer users the ability to purchase additional features, remove ads, or unlock exclusive content. Subscription models. Charge users a recurring monthly or annual fee for access to premium content, services, or enhanced functionality. Affiliate marketing. Promote third-party products or services within your app and earn commissions from successful referrals. Selling data, ethically. Some apps collect anonymized usage data that can be sold to researchers or marketers, provided it complies with privacy laws. A single monetization strategy might bring in modest returns, but combining them and scaling your user base can lead to substantial monthly income. Many independent developers report earning tens of thousands of dollars per month through apps created with no-code platforms. Step 5. Market and grow your app. Creating a great app is only half the journey. Without proper marketing, even the most useful app will fail to gain traction. Here are some ways to promote and grow your app. App Store Optimization, ASO. Just like websites rely on SEO, apps benefit from ASO. Use relevant keywords in your title and description, and encourage reviews and ratings to rank higher in search results. Social media marketing. Create dedicated pages for your app on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and TikTok. Share useful content, updates, and user testimonials. Content marketing and blogging. Write blog posts or articles related to your app's niche to drive organic traffic from Google. Include links to download your app. Influencer outreach and partnerships. Collaborate with influencers or content creators in your app's niche to reach larger audiences. Email marketing. Build an email list and keep users engaged with updates, feature announcements, and special offers. User feedback and updates. Listen to your users. Their feedback will help you improve the app over time, fix bugs, and add features that increase retention. Realistic expectations. Is $800,000 a year achievable? The claim of earning $800,000 per year is not typical, but it is possible. Many success stories from independent app developers show that with the right idea, execution, and marketing, even a simple app can grow into a highly profitable venture. For example, educational and productivity apps are particularly known for generating substantial income with relatively low development costs. However, these outcomes require commitment. You must be prepared to learn, test, iterate, and invest time in improving your app and its visibility. Success rarely happens overnight, but consistent effort pays off. Conclusion: start building today. The barrier to entry for app development has never been lower. With free tools, global platforms like Google Play, and multiple monetization methods, you can create your own Android app and turn it into a source of real income, potentially even a full-time business. Whether your goal is to generate passive income, build a personal brand, or launch a startup, building an app is a powerful step. Start with a small idea, learn as you go, and stay focused on providing value to your users. The results might surprise you. If you need help choosing a platform, validating your app idea, or preparing your app for launch, I'd be happy to assist you with a custom plan.